What's up everybody, Remington from Impulse Creative, and today we're going to talk about how to test your email sequences in Drift. So Drift just came out with a really cool new feature that allows for you to not only test the individual emails when you're creating a marketing or sales sequence of emails, but it also allows you to test all of them. And one of my favorite things is you don't have to wait for the normal rules to test the sequence over time. So we've created an email sequence in Drift already, and you can go through and send a test email for each individual email just to see how that it will be received in your inbox. But one of the things that we can't see is we can't see how these emails interact together. Before, you would have to wait based on the time rules for each one of these steps if you wanted to test this, and so it was very much a manual process of seeing how things would go. But what Drift has done is they have added this button up to the top, and this is amazing. You can literally click send test sequence, and it's going to send a sequence to your email, and each set of the sequence is going to be 5 minutes apart. So it allows for you to see how the email comes in, and then of course make sure the automation is in the right order for you too. Let me know what you think about this feature. We're pretty excited about it over here. It's going to make our workflow much easier. And if you'd like to know anything else about Drift, go ahead and let us know. You can subscribe to our other videos right here, and of course you can see our other tutorials right over here. But until next time, I'm Remington with Impulse Creative. Have a great day.